Hi everyone, this is Rajesh. Welcome to the Open SQL statement tutorial video. In this session, we are going to cover very important SQL statement, that is modify, which is a combination of insert and update. So, like what happens is, as you can see, the Z employees table has a key field called employee. Okay, so suppose uh, if you try to enter a record in the Z employees table and that employee number already exists, then a modify statement updates the record in the Z employee table. If the employee number doesn't exist in Z employee table, then modify statement tries to insert a record in the Z employees table. So this is the fundamental uh, purpose of modify statement. So let's get into the program and see how do we use the modify statement. So here you can see uh, our table, that is the employees table. It has three records. The employee number starts with 1402, 1403 and 1404. So now I'll try to insert a record in this Z employees table using modify statement. So I'll try to insert the employee number as 1401, which is currently not there in the table. So it will allow me to insert the record. Okay, so let's I've created a breakpoint in the, as you can see. Let's execute and see how it works. F8. So I'll straight away, there are multiple breakpoints, so I'll click on F8, which will take to my breakpoint. Yeah, it has not come yet. Another breakpoint is there, so I click on F8 once again. So now it has come to my statement. So now it's just clicking on F5 because some hard-coded values are there. So these are the records which I want to insert in the table. Z employees, if I click on it, you can see the record, that is 1401, and other details are there as well. So now if I click on this modify, since this employee number doesn't exist in the Z employees table, it should insert a record. So I'll click on F5. So here the size of RC you can see as 0. So if I click on this F5, so record has been inserted in the table. If I refresh this table, we can see the record. So here you can see the record got inserted. Now since the record has been inserted, I've used one more time modify statement just to update the title, which is in M is in uppercase and R is in lowercase. I want all the letters to be in uppercase. So what I have done is, I'm hard coded this uppercase value in work area title. If I click on F5, you can see the title got updated with MR. So now again I am using the modify statement, modify table name from the work area. If I click on F5, again it's a success, size sub RC is 0. So now if I refresh, the value will get updated. So here it got updated. So here it says, like, if the record exists, then it updates. If the employee number doesn't exist, then it inserts. So now if I click on F5 once again, size of RC is 0, so it goes to the if statement. And then very important thing, currently this Z employees, as you can see, has all the records, has the record data, right? So now clear statement, if we execute, it will remove all the entries from this work area. If I click on F5, it would have removed all the entry from the work area. So now this is the final output screen what we have got. If I refresh the table entries, so here you can see the record got inserted as well as it got updated using the modify statement. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching the video. This was all part of OpenSQL statement.